Hey guys, haven't made a video in a while. Just got this in today, the Mishimoto short ram intake. Let's take a look what we have in here. Alright, I just cut open the box, haven't really looked into it. First thing we see is the rear view mirror penguin, Mishimoto penguin I guess. I'm not sure, just like an instruction manual. Put this on the side. We have the Mishimoto coupler. Looks to be the pipe. It is a intake pipe for the SI Rinko Black. Had to get the Rinko Black. Put this on the side. Looks to be the worm clamps and the carb sticker. Yes, this is California legal. What's in this box? I'm thinking this is the air filter. Never know. Let me open it up. Use two hands here. Alright, sorry about that. Open it up, and it is the air filter, of course. The worm clamp is on it. And this set this down again. Got a blade. This could be the heat shield. Oh, this is a pretty heavy heat shield. I haven't opened any of it yet until I get it to install. A little bracket right here. And that is it. Right, I am back. And that's all that's included in the package. We'll close it back up. And I'll show you what we're gonna be putting it in a different day. Put all these back. Okay. I'm at my parents' house right now. So this is what is going to be going on. So 2009 SI. I never really made a video for outside the car, but here it is. Kind of dirty. It's been raining over here in Northern California. Yes, I did get the paint recall done 2 years ago. Show you what's under the hood, but not really anything. Right now the only thing I have is a 1320 header and Flash Pro. And I have my Blackview dash cam, DR750S front and rear camera. That's about it. See you guys on the next video.